I'm a builder, a local builder, and I met Dana about 2 years ago. And anytime I see something, I've looked at a couple of her properties, and it didn't work out. I found something that I liked, and I figured she'd be the one to help me kind of go through the whole purchase and then and negotiation. And of course, she'd be the one to sell it for me, and she did a fantastic job. I didn't have to do anything. She met the people. She guided me through the whole thing, the closing. That was the best thing that I ever did, was to have her on my side. She's constantly sending me leads and things that I can look at, so she's on top of it. I don't have the kind of time that she has in real estate, so I think she's doing a great job for me personally as a builder and as a house flipper, I should say.
Dana was wonderful. She's just so conscientious. She's such a hard worker. Whenever you had a question, she was always there for you. I considered her to be one of a true friend right now. I never knew her. I worked with her selling 2 homes, and she's just was always there for me. And she is very, her expertise and her knowledge is just outstanding.
My experience working with Dana, it couldn't have been better. She is sweet, she is funny, she made it painless. I didn't realize it was so easy to sell and buy, and that's what she did, help me sell and buy in the same community. And it was fun and it was easy. And I've never had a real estate agent that I could relate to.
Today was our annual Client Appreciation Pie Party. We give away pies for Thanksgiving. Everyone comes, has a little cocktail, they have some hors d'oeuvres, and it's so great to see everybody. I am so grateful for all my clients and for all the referrals you all give me. Thank you so much.